Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can create hyperlink on Discord. So for that you need to open up any server of your choice where you want to send the hyperlink and just click on the settings over here, then go to server settings, and after that click on this option of integration in the apps section, and here you will be able to find this option of webhooks. Just click on create webhook and it will be created. Then click on it, and after that you can just name it according to your preferences, like you can name it Google or YouTube or anything that you want. Then select the channel in which you want to send that particular hyperlink in that particular server, and after that just copy this webhook. But before that just click on save changes, so name is changed, and after that just copy this webhook URL, and after that you need to open up this website called discord.club. I will just add a text on the video for you to see what it is. Just simply type discord.club and you will be redirected to this place. Then all you have to do is just click on dashboard, and after that you need to paste that webhook URL over here. Let me paste it, and it is pasted. So after pasting your webhook URL over here, then you need to just scroll down, and in the message section you will be able to find this option of username. Just type your username or the username that you want to use for the sending the hyperlinks, and just scroll down a little bit more, and here you need to type the description of your hyperlink. Suppose you want to send a YouTube video, then you can just type open YouTube, and you want the YouTube to be hyperlinked with this link, then you need to add this YouTube in angled brackets and the link in round brackets. And after that you can also change the color of your hyperlink, the way it will appear, and then just simply click on send message, and then in the server you will be able to see this message over here, and you can just simply click on YouTube. It is clickable, and you will be redirected to the YouTube. Yeah, and I have just taken YouTube as an example, and you can just embed any link of your choice, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.